On this next segment, place the training partners in a line, side by side, enough room in between. And then the one on my far left is going to do the 9 o'clock spinning pass. The one behind me is going to do the 12. And the one on my far right is going to do the 180 going all the way to 3 o'clock. Okay? So here we go. Let's go here with number 1. Okay? Close guard. Wide. Tight. Hands tight. Push. Walk your knees. Okay? Double pin. Up. 9 o'clock. 1, 2. Let's do it again. All right? Slow down. Slow down. Okay? So if they make a mistake, that's all good. So go to 9 o'clock and stop. Don't do anything. Near knee down. Far knee down. Belly button. Yes. Then grab the arm. Good. Let's do it again now. I want to see the whole thing from the beginning. Don't mess up anymore. Hands wide. Hands tight. Push. Walk. 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 All right. Double pin. Up. 9 o'clock. Near knee down. Far knee down. Belly button. And grab. Good. Nice. Number 2. Same thing, but he's going to go 12. Hands wide. Posture up. Hands tight. Push and walk. Push and walk. Double pin. 12 o'clock. 1, 2, and 3. Nice. Now let's go back to number 3. Okay? Same thing. Now he's going to go all the way to 3 o'clock, the 180. Hands wide. Hands tight. Walk. 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 All right. Let's do it again. You did great, but you kind of missed a bit the walking of the knees in the beginning. All right? Let's kind of see sideways to make sure you understand. Let's stay there for a second. So here, let's start. Hands wide. When you do hands wide, I want to see make sure the thumb is blocking. The elbows follow. Elbow in, elbow out. Bend your arm a little bit. Bend your arm a little bit so you don't let me get around. Good. Hands wide, hands tight, and stop. Push. Walk one knee back. Stop. Walk the other knee back. Stop. Walk the other knee back. Yes. The knees keep on walking. Double pin. Up. 9 o'clock. 12 o'clock. 3 o'clock. And hold. Awesome.